Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to review a very useful and effective application. I'm doing this in English for English world and for the new Muslims, reverts who are entering the fold of Islam and wants the basic knowledge about Islam, and also for the non-Muslims who are interested in knowing more about Islam from its real source, which is Quran and Hadith. So this application will show you the translation of Quranic verses and also some hadith, and also a little bit literature is available in English, which is further growing up. So you can stay connected with this application and learn more. And also for learning the basic surahs of Quran, basic small chapters of Quran with with recitations, they are available so that you can listen them and you can memorize them so that you can pray in your salah, in your prayers. Okay, so let's do a small introduction. Let's click about us. So you can see this is from Islamic Technology Mission. They were established in 2011, and this is the name of the application, Islam360. And 360 has got 2.4 million downloads in 177 countries. It is being used, and this is the email address for its founder, Zahid Hussain Chipa, who did a good work about it. So this is all about the application. Let's jump into the use of this application. You can see this is the front face. Here you can see the Qibla, where Muslim people bow their head to the direction of Qibla, the direction of Kaaba. If you click it, if you have your location open and your internet is on, then it will direct you towards Qibla, towards Kaaba. Okay. The second thing is, here you can see both the dates, the calendar based on moon and sun, which is called Qamari in Arabic, and lunar system, based on lunar system, which is this 4th of Jamadi Usani, and the Georgian calendar, which is based on sun. Okay, so now here you have got the Salah timings. This bottom tab is very important for the navigation through the app, or different areas of the app, and these buttons are showing you different ways to navigate through Quran, because the Quran button is clicked at the bottom. Okay, so if we go into this Fajr, you can see sunrise and sun setting time, which is very important in Islam. Both are available from sunrise to sunset. All the 5 salahs names are mentioned here, and their prescribed times are available here. You've got a small speaker which you can click or unclick to mute or unmute them. And further, if you go down, you've got, because the Quran is clicked at the bottom, so you've got a Quran tab open. Otherwise you can click Quran at the bottom here, so you can navigate through the Quranic areas of this application. So suppose if you click Quran here, so this is advertisement, skip it. There are 2 options available. By surah you can search, by para you can search. So there are 114 surahs in Quran, and there are 30 parts of Quran, 30 juz of Quran, 30 paras of Quran. Okay, so we are in surah right now. You go down, 114th surah. You also have got verses written here. So the last 10 surahs are very small, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 verses or 7 verses. So these are very small ones and very useful to remember them in the beginning, to recite them during the prayers, during the salah, during 5 daily prayers. So in the beginning, whenever I saw a new Muslim, we used to give them recitations or voice of these 10 surahs, starting from 105 Surah Fil till Surah Nas, you can see at the bottom. So we used to give them, and they used to listen for a week or 2, and based on their learning capability, some used to remember all of them, nearly 80 to 90% imitating the same voice of a big sheikh of Makkah. So that was the beauty of it, and here you can do it. I can show you. It will download actually. So let me show which is already downloaded, Suratul Mujadila. So this one, it is in different language. You can see Arabic is here and Urdu in the bottom, but if you click any of the buttons, so you will be able to, if you click any of them, the details option will appear here. You can see details are here, and here you have got a play option. Okay, ayat recitation is there. So let's click details. So if you go in, you will have a very clearly written one ayat with zoom in zoom out features, zoom in zoom out features, and this. In the bottom tab you can see English, Urdu, Roman, RT root words. This is for Urdu language. This is for Urdu language, but these two are important, English and root letters. So if you click English, it will go into English. You can navigate from here. The arrows given here, you are given arrows here, so you can navigate through. And if you want to listen, you can listen them as well, and you can go out from here. At the same time, if you want to recite this surah, you can see the bottom tab here. Okay, bottom tab, and also you can see settings here. So let us do both of them together. Click settings. So you have got option here, see hide tafsir. If I hide tafsir, you have a font size adjustment here. So hide tafsir, go back, and now you can play here, or maybe better only Arabic. Okay, at the bottom again you can click to stop, go back. So this is how you do it. If you go in and hide translation, hide tafsir, so you won't get anything here. So simple presentation. Click only Arabic, and if you click it stop, it will stop. Okay, so this is how you can listen and you can learn them. Okay, so go back, all the surahs here. The first one is very important for reading your prayers, Suratul Fatiha. Only 7 verses. You can just listen it maybe 10-15 times and you will definitely learn it, inshallah. Okay, so other than this application has got here a section in the bottom. You can see more. If you click more, you will see Qaida, this small book which is made here. So if you want to learn Arabic, the small baby steps to learn the alphabets are available here. If you go into it, you will find the sabaq, which is called lesson, although mostly they are in Arabic, but you are more concerned about these black letters which are written here, black letters. If you click them, you will hear the voice. Just look at them and listen to it. You will remember, inshallah, in a day or two about these words, and gradually from here you can go forward, inshallah. And there are a few supplications, tasbih is there, like if you want to do the zikr of Allah, you can do, count them here. The counter is there, 33 is written, 99, if you click it will become 99. And reciting the Quran in the right voice, for that there is a tajweed option which is under development, but still something is here in Urdu. Inshallah soon it will get in English. So this is all about it. Very short review about this application. Jazakallahu khairan. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.